Another blind box unboxing, and this time it's Cry Baby Cry Again series. So I wanted to get the Cry Baby Cry series after unboxing the Powerpuff Girls one, and I have disliked Cry Baby for such a long time, and now I've started to like them. So that's the reason why I got these. So these come in like four variants, one, two, and then we get, yeah, total six variants. So these come in six variants, and I want the either the pink one, bear one, frog one, or Alice, or pink one, not the bee or the duck. So let's just unbox this and see what I get. I have started to like Crybaby recently, so that's the reason why I got it. This is like a plush pendant. You can use this as a back charm and hang it anywhere. So these come with, just like Labubus, they come with key rings, like rings to hang your plushies anywhere you want to. So this is how the box looks. It looks really nice. The Crybaby figure is in like a shiny wrapping, and this is like these are the Crybaby which you can get in this Water Frog Love Makes Us Cry. This is the bear one, this is the frog one, and then this is the bee. I'll bring you a flower. Duck you. This is a duck. This is she's Alice. This is Alice in Wonderland. Alice, and I'll give you all my love. This is the pink one. So I want to get Alice or the pink or the frog one or the bear one. Even the bear one is really cute. So let's see which one I get. So it doesn't feel that heavy, but yeah, I do feel there's some accessory along with this. So this is the packaging, plastic wrapping it comes in, and they have figure of all the Crybaby that you can get, and yeah, even the plastic wrapping looks cute. So let's see what we have in here. So I actually got what I wanted. I really wanted her, and she looks really cute with her lips and those big tears. And you can see she looks really cute with those big tears and those shiny eyes. I love the finish that they've given to the tears. It's like a matte finish, and rest of the face is matte, and her eyes are like shiny, and her lips are pouty, lower lips most probably. And yeah, she looks shiny, and the eyes looks like they're watering from crying. And yeah, looks really nice, and the fur quality of the fur is really soft, like on touching I can see. And there you can see the Crybaby logo, and the keyring looks really nice, and the red keyring with the brown detailing looks really nice and matching. And I love the shoes they've given to her, red. And out of all the things which I wanted, I did get one of them, so I'm really happy. And I really like the velvet bow they've given, and those cute little buttons. And even the texture of the fur is different, like the fur they have given for the hair is different, and for the dress she is wearing it's different, and the fur of the button here is different, and the shoes is different. Like there's difference in the texture of the fur that's used in this, which makes it really special. And those cute fluffy swollen cheeks from crying. This is how she looks from the backside. I really hate the tag they give when they give such long tags. So yeah, I love that I got this, and she's really cute, and she looks really adorable. Looks even cuter from this angle, and yeah, that's Crybaby. So yeah, thank you Tokumar for giving this. So yeah, I really love her overall. She's amazing, and I don't think I would have received anything better than this. I really wanted this one and the frog one, not the pink one, because that is very light and it might get dirty. But if I don't get anything, pink one would have been nice. But I was wanting to get this one and the frog one. So she's really cute, and I love her. Adorable. I'm so happy I got her. And it looks even cuter with the red Crybaby ring and the tag that's given along with her. So yeah, I love the contrast of colors that they've used, the shades of brown they've used in this. And that's the reason why I like this one more than anything else. And come on, you cannot go wrong with Crybaby. I mean, the round lips one doesn't look that cute. These sort of lips looks cuter according to me. What do you think? Do let me know in the comments. And yeah, I love her. She's adorable, don't you think?
Today I'll be unboxing Cry Baby Cry Again dupe. It's not the original, it's a dupe version and it looks exactly like the original. So let's open it and see what I get. It opens up just like the original one, but the packaging is a bit loose, but very similar. So just by looking at it, I can see that even the plastic in which the Crybaby plushie is looks very similar, and on touching I can feel that it's like a bigger brush. So let's open it and see what I get. That's the cute. She looks really cute up close, and I really love her. It doesn't look like a dupe.
She looks really pretty. I'm so glad I didn't get the dupe. So I'll be comparing the real one with the dupe. This one doesn't look like a dupe. This one looks so real, and I really like every detail. Even the fur is really soft, and just like the original, it has shiny eyes and that like matte frosty tears. And I don't think it looks like a dupe. It looks so original. So that's the logo, and even the ring is like really good quality. You can see there the texture of the fur and everything. She looks really cute. Love the detail. I was not expecting her. I was expecting a frog, but this whatever this mouth is looking a bit separate, but that's okay. I really like every detail. though there are like minor discrepancies. Here you can see around the nose there's this extension, but it looks really close to the original quality wise. So this is how the back side looks. You cannot really differentiate whether it's not an original, if you know what I mean. Like, it does look original. I really like the way it looks, and I think I got my money worth. I know one of the hand is like straight and this one is like tilted, like how a hand should be. This one is nice, and this one is nice, but this one is like a bit straight. But that doesn't matter because this dupe is so close, and I don't mind getting a dupe because the original one is so pricey. I do like it. I wouldn't mind getting a dupe if it looks so close to the original. That is how she looks. She would look hanging on my bag. She looks really nice. I love the finish, I love the quality, and for a dupe crybaby, you can see some thread hanging, but that doesn't matter because it looks so original. I cannot I cannot say that it's a dupe. It's so close to the original. Yeah, I love it. You can say like the mouth is a bit outside, it's protruding out, but that doesn't matter because she looks so cute, though the hand is like one is straight and the other one is down. But yeah, I love her. She's so nice. And you can see, do you think she's a dupe? No, I love her. I like the way she looks. Very good dupe. I would say for a crybaby, this is the dupe you want to be looking for. And I really like the freckles they've given here, pink nose and that freckles on the sides and that cute little duck hat she's wearing. Those button duck dress she's wearing, those blue eyes, and all the shades of yellow, the cap, the hair, and the dress. All the three yellows are different, just like the original one. And then this orange boot she's wearing, it's very soft, and just like the original, it's like fluffy and nicely filled. It's not like very squishy or wobbly, or even the head is like wobbly. No, it's very good quality dupe, I would say. For a crybaby, this is a nice dupe. This one comes with a card too. So this is the card, and that is how the card looks. This is again Duck Q from Crybaby. Let's just compare the original with the dupe. So can you just make out which one is the original and which one is dupe? I truly cannot because both of them look so close. Even the packaging is like spot on. This one is the original and this one is the dupe. The original dupe. And you can see it's so close. Even there's this pop mart thing. And on the top, this one is the dupe, this one is the original. There can be like slight difference. This pink is like fuchsia pink, this is baby pink. And on the back side, here's the logo. There's no QR code. So obviously, because this is a dupe, this one is the original. So yeah, I really love. Even the dupe has this shiny finish. You can see there on the Crybaby. Both of them has shiny finish. So you cannot really judge which one is dupe. If you are not aware how to pick a original, I think you can easily be fooled by the dupe. Let's just compare the original with the dupe. So I got a bear. Love makes us cry. This is what this one is called. This is the bear. This is the duck. You can see the finish is so similar, but just minor differences. But most of it is the same. Even the eyes is shiny. Is shinier in the original. This is the original. This is the dupe, and obviously the original will have better finish, but for like comparison I would say it's so close. The dupe is so close to the original. So let's see the back side of it. The quality of the fur is excellent. For a dupe it's so good. Let's just see a close-up of them. So this is how it looks comparing to the original. She looks so cute, so cute, so cute. I love them both. Both of them are amazing. And then the head. And let's just check the logo. So this one is the original. The Crybaby is written in front. Here's Pop Mart is written in front, and at the back you see Pop Mart written here and Crybaby is written on the back. This is just a minor difference, but yeah, both of them are like the quality is so good in both of them. So the bear one is the original and the duck one is a dupe, and I cannot make a difference. So I love them both. Both of them are amazing. So yeah, I think you should get your hands on Crybaby or dupe. I would say you would never regret it. I love it. Let me just show you the cards too. So here's the bear card where you can see the outline, and here's the duck cue card. Both of them are like good quality illustration, and there's the back side. So yeah, I love how original, how close to the original this duck cue is. So yeah, that's the comparison. If you want to get your hands on the dupe, I would say follow the Instagram page. I'll mention that below. She sells authentic, like nice dupes, I would say. So if you want proper dupes, you can go and check her out. I'm not promoting her, but I did like the dupe I got from her. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.